Hello, welcome to Curriculum Night. My name is Carl Armstrong. I am your son or daughter's AP Environmental Science teacher, and I'm going to give you guys the rundown of the course and the expectations and some of the things that your children might be coming home and talking to you about over the coming days, weeks, and months. So just a little bit about me first. This is my 16th year teaching, 16th year here at Waubonsie. I have had the privilege to teach AP Environmental Science since my third year of teaching here, and I think it is possibly one of the very best courses that a kid can take here at Waubonsie Valley High School. By the time they leave our classroom, they have a really good, thorough understanding of how the world works around them, and that's something that most people just aren't able to get and learn in a high school setting. So I think it's a fantastic course for a lot of future careers, a lot of future understanding about topics that are going to impact their lives, and we're able to teach it to them at a college level with AP Environmental Science. So what does the course look like? It's a series of 10 units, 5 first semester, 5 second semester. The ones first semester are largely based around the natural world outside, so we spend a lot of time, especially first quarter, going outside, learning our local ecosystems, learning a lot of urban ecology because we live in a suburban setting here, and there's a lot of urban ecology that we can teach them. A lot of data collection, a lot of labs, and using some mathematical formulas to fix numbers to the natural world, similar to what they would get in a college lab setting. After that, we move on to stuff on population dynamics and land management, and how we get natural resources out of the ground and produce energy with them. And that's all we do first semester. By the time we get back in January, in second semester, we start with agriculture and then move on to a bunch of other stuff from there. It's a very hands-on course. So first semester and second semester, your kids will be coming home and talking to you about, hopefully, all the hands-on activities that we do. There are a lot of case studies and labs and field work that we do. There's a lot of going out to places on their own during the weekends for projects, obviously with the safety in mind of all that, but this is something we were able to do even last year in our remote setting. The kids were still able to get outside and do those really awesome things that we will be able to continue to do this year. AP Environmental Science is a weighted course, and so the expectations or grades are maybe a little bit more stringent than you would have in a non-weighted course. The syllabus is up online. The very brief breakdown for grades: 50% coursework, 30% assessment, 20% final exam. And the final exam is actually broken up into 2 different things. There's a final project and then a comprehensive final exam that you would traditionally see in a college course, a big multiple choice thing. And so those 2 items comprise 20% of the overall grade, and then all the rest of the stuff comprises the other 80% other grade. More details for that can be found in the syllabus. Syllabus is up on Google Classroom. Students and I went over it on day 3, so if you have any really specific questions about that, find your student at home and they can pull up that syllabus and you can go over it with them. But generally, parents like to hear about what the course is going to be like and stuff like that, as opposed to, what's on the syllabus. Let's see what else. I think that just about covers most of the class and gives a really good overview for stuff. Climate change we do cover in the spring. We everything within environmental science these days very much revolves around climate change. It's the reality. And so while we don't specifically address climate change until right at the end of the year, because it's kind of the thing you end with, as we teach all these other things, what we do with the kids is teach how climate change is impacting all of these other aspects of environmental science. So it's taught explicitly at the end. It's also embedded into everything else we do, because that is just the times that we live in. I think that covers the bases. Introduce myself a little bit to you guys. If you want to reach out to me, my email address is carl_armstrong@ipsd.org. Thanks for listening. It's about the 5-minute mark here, so thanks for your time. I appreciate it. and I look forward to seeing you at parent-teacher conferences in November. Thank you very much. Take care.